Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do the Kiss Me Quick line dance. It's a simple steps, just a shuffle, but it's a lot of fun. So I'm going to turn my back so you can follow me step by step. You ready? Okay? Start with your left foot. Step forward. Rock back to your left, to your right. Step back on your left. Position your right. Step back on your left again. Step back on your right. Position your left foot. Step forward with your right. And hitch. Okay, so here's the count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, hitch. Okay, so that's the first 8 counts. Next 8 counts will be you're on your hitch position. You step your left foot, crossing left, right, back, 3 and 4. Cross your right foot to your left, back, do a quarter turn, 7, 8. Okay? So here's the count. Ready? You're on a hitch. Cross 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? From the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Next 8 counts is pretty much the same as the first 8 counts, with just a little variation. So once again, you start with your left foot. 1, 2, 3, you pause. Okay? 3 and 4, you pause. 5, 6, 7, and touch. So once again, ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and touch. So now you're on your touch position. So the next 8 steps will be touch your left to your left and back, left, right, left. Touch your right foot to your right and back, right, left, right. So it looks like this. Touch your left and back, left, right, left. Touch your right and back, right, left, right. Let's do it from the top. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now that's the last step. So we're now starting the dance from the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you're just repeating it from each walk and go with the music. So that's the next thing that you need to learn. So watch my video, the way I dance the Kiss Me Quick. It's right there on the link. Just click it and follow the dance. So I'll see you there. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I really appreciate it. Bye.